All right, so back here on the 72, I was going to check our voltage input at our flasher relays. I was going to check both of them. I'm also going to check, make sure we have proper ground. And definitely want to make sure everything is on the up and up in the actual wiring on the car as well. All right, so hazard flasher relay. We've got 1235. And obviously that ground is good. But we are not flashing. I'd like to figure out why. All right, checking voltage here at our turn signal relay. We've got voltage. So we're now chasing where our flashers do not want to work with the recommended flasher relays recommended by the manufacturer of the light kit. Fun. Fun, fun, fun.